on tab. And today, thousands celebrated the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. with the 44th annual MLK parade. The event kicked off at 11 a.m. along the Embarcadero and had hundreds of people there, including marching bands, community groups, and floats honoring Dr. King's message of equality and justice. A standout was the San Diego College of Continuing Education's float, built by Welding students and faculty. It featured a giant metal pop-up book and banners reflecting this year's theme, Hope in Action, a dream still unfolding.
We have things going on in this world that are unjust, and this is a testament of what we want to do to stand for that and to stand up against that and just try to make things right, and we start right here within our San Diego community, and hopefully, this travels, throughout the land.
Organizers say the parade serves as the centerpiece of MLK Weekend in San Diego, which also included a 5K walk, fun run, and festival at Waterfront Park.